So for the first method, we're going to head over to Task Manager. So head over to Search, then type in Task Manager. Once we're on it, we're going to scroll down, and then we're going to close all of the NVIDIA applications, close all of them. So click on it, and then click on End Task on all of them. For the second method, head over to Search, and then type in Run, click on it, and then type in services.msc. Once you're on it, you want to click on any service, and then type in on your keyboard NVI. Then you want to make sure that everything that starts with NVIDIA is running. If it's not running, then right click on it and then click on Start, and it will start running. The next method, we're going to update our drivers. So head over to this website, which will be in the description, and then just choose your graphics card here, and then download it, and then update your driver. For the fourth method, head over to Search, and then type in Add or Remove Programs. Click on it, and then you want to scroll down, and then you want to delete NVIDIA Geforce Experience and just re-download it again how you did before. For the fifth method, head over to Search, and then type in Check for Updates. Click on it, and then check for updates and see if you have any updates and install it. For the sixth method, just restart your PC.